Hi techies, it's Fluffy. Once again, we were invited by Samsung to their Unpacked sneak preview event. This time, we got to see and preview the Samsung Galaxy Fold 7 and the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. Here are highlights of the event as well as previews of the new devices.
What we have accomplished in 6 years in just one single week. Because with Galaxy Z Fold 7, we will be able to cut down nearly in half its thickness when compared to the very first generation of the Galaxy Z Fold. And at the same time, it's not just thinner, but it's also made much lighter, as we mentioned earlier. It's also much lighter when compared to all other Z Fold devices that we have here on display. Right. So there's that when it comes to OCC. Now we also want to talk about how much better it is when it comes to performance. So the device is really perfect for those similar to you guys who are content creators. So it's really perfect for those who value having that expansive screen, right? Especially if you are a content creator, you want to do multitasking, you want to also use it for entertainment purposes so that you can see more out of your screen, right? So with that, we have here the second booth, which is for immersive mobile gaming experience. Because we also want to talk about how much better its performance is for the Z Fold series. So Z Fold now comes with a similar processor as that of an S25 Ultra, helping consumers achieve that elevated gaming experience. So today we have here pre-installed games for you to try out how much better it is versus the previous models and how much better it is versus the other models within the market. So next, we also want to come back here on this booth because we also want to talk about the Z Flip 7, of course. So as mentioned by Isabel earlier, So we have the Z Flip 7 right here. It now comes with infinity cover display. Let's just get another example. Right. So it now comes with an infinity cover display, so you can see more and do more out of the screen. And later on, we have other exclusive features that can be found on the Z Flip 7, which we will uncover as we move on to the next booth later on. Right? So of course, with the Z Flip 7, we've also made it much more compact so that you can just put it inside your bag or your pockets. It's really the perfect device for consumers who prefer a smaller and more compact device. But one thing that we have made larger for the Z Flip 7 is its battery life. So we have improved the battery life by giving it 4,300 mAh, allowing users to actually be able to take more selfies out of it and play with it more. Right. So now we would like to move on to our second booth, which is the ultra camera booth right over here. Here, this is the first time that Samsung will actually bring the same ultra 200 megapixel camera experience to the Z Fold series. So not just that, we've also improved its advanced Pro Visual engine, making photos sharper, more crisp, and more detailed. So for you to better appreciate how much sharper and better the images will be when you use a Galaxy Z Fold 7. Oh, we have a sample photo here. Our influencer. So of course, so if you want to go through some of the photos here later, please do pass by this area so you can appreciate how much more crisp, how much more detailed. And
Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense tech breakdowns, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. I'm Fluffy for techbeatph.com, driven by tech, powered by people. Catch you in the next one.